Hello, everyone. We're pleased to share with you a helpful practice resource for your citizenship interview. In this interview, the applicant had 2 errors on their N400 form and had received 2 traffic tickets in the past. The interviewing officer was strict and asked many detailed personal and yes/no questions while reviewing the form. These types of questions often come up during real interviews, so practicing them in advance can help you feel more confident and better prepared for the test. Let's get started. Mr. Santiago Rafael Acosta.
Good morning.
Good morning. Can you state your full legal name?
Santiago Rafael Acosta.
And your date of birth is March 14th, 1983?
That's correct.
All right, please come in. You can have a seat now and show me your green card, ID, your passport, and the appointment notice. Before we begin the civics portion of your interview, I'm going to take your photo and fingerprints. Please face the camera directly. Try not to smile, please. Hold still for just a moment. Perfect. Got it. Now let's do your fingerprints. Please place your right index finger on the scanner for me. Now go ahead and place your left index finger. Great. All done. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Can you stand up and raise your right hand? I'll need you to swear an oath now. Do you solemnly swear or affirm that the statements you're about to make will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
Thank you. Please be seated. We'll now continue with the civics test. Do you need a few seconds to get settled?
No, I'm ready.
Excellent. Let's begin. How many U.S. senators are there?
100.
If both the president and the vice president can no longer serve, who becomes president?
The Speaker of the House.
There are 4 amendments to the Constitution about who can vote. Describe one of them.
Citizens 18 and older can vote.
When was the Declaration of Independence adopted?
July 4th, 1776.
What movement tried to end racial discrimination?
Civil Rights Movement.
Under our Constitution, some powers belong to the federal government. What is one power of the federal government?
To print money.
You answered all the questions correctly. Great job.
Thank you.
Now we'll move on to the reading and writing portion of the test. A sentence will appear on the tablet. Can you read it out loud for me?
When is Independence Day?
Good job so far. Now we'll do the writing part of the test. I'm going to say a sentence, and I'd like you to listen closely and write it down just as you hear it. Okay?
Yes, I'm ready.
Perfect. Please pick up the stylus. It's right there on the table in front of you. Independence Day is in July. Great. This sentence is written correctly and legibly. Congratulations.
Thank you.
We'll now go through your N400 application together to confirm everything is still accurate. If anything has changed or if you notice any mistakes since you submitted it, now is the time to let me know so we can correct it here.
Yes, thank you. I noticed 2 mistakes on the form after I submitted it. I'd like to correct those now, if that's all right.
Okay, let's review them one by one. What's the first mistake?
I mistakenly entered my second marriage date as October 15th, 2017, but the correct year is 2018, October 15th, 2018.
So the correct date is October 15th, 2018. And what's the second mistake?
I forgot to list my May 2022 trip to Cuba.
Trip from May 15th to May 29th, 2022. In Cuba, correct?
Yes, exactly.
Good. I'll update your file with both corrections.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have you been known by any other names?
No, I haven't used any other names.
Just to confirm, you're not requesting a legal name change as part of this process, right?
Right. I would like to keep the name I have now.
All right. Your place of birth is Havana, Cuba?
Yes, I was born in Havana, Cuba.
What is your country of nationality?
Cuba.
Can you confirm your current address?
4512 Gardenia Drive, Orlando, Florida 32812.
How long have you lived at that address?
I've lived at that address since February 20th, 2023, so about 2 years and 5 months.
Where did you live immediately before moving to Florida?
I lived in Marietta, Georgia from 2017 until February 2023.
Any other places you've lived in the U.S.?
No, just Marietta, Georgia, and now Orlando, Florida.
Let's quickly confirm your physical description. It says here your height is 5 feet 9 inches. Weight is 174 pounds. Hair color is black. And eye color is brown. Have there been any changes to that information?
No, everything is still the same.
When did you become a lawful permanent resident?
I became a lawful permanent resident on July 14th, 2017.
Who sponsored you?
I was sponsored by my sister. She filed an I-130 petition for me.
Were you ever removed, deported, or asked to leave the U.S.?
No, never.
What is your social security number?
582-67-2893.
What's your current job?
I work as a building maintenance worker at Suncoast Property Management in Orlando, Florida.
When did you start that position?
I started in April 2023, after I moved to Florida.
And where did you work before moving to Florida?
Before relocating, I worked in Georgia with Southwest Services in Marietta from May 2018 to February 2023.
All right. How many times have you traveled outside the U.S. in the last 5 years?
I have traveled outside the U.S. 3 times in the last 5 years.
Can you provide the dates and locations of those trips?
Sure. From March 9th to March 14th, 2021, I went to the Dominican Republic for a friend's wedding. Then, from May 15th to May 29th, 2022, I visited Cuba to see my family. As I mentioned earlier, I forgot to include this trip on my N400 form. My most recent trip was from November 7th to November 9th, 2024, a short vacation to Toronto, Canada.
Have you taken any trips that lasted longer than 6 months?
No, I haven't.
Okay. What is your current marital status?
I'm married.
What is your current spouse's name?
Daniela Acosta.
Is this your first marriage?
No, it's my second marriage.
You got married with Daniela on October 15th, 2018.
Yes,
Where did you get married?
I got married in Marietta, Georgia.
What happened to your first marriage?
I got divorced in 2012.
All right. Do you have children?
Yes, I have 3 children.
Can you provide their names and birth dates?
Of course, Camilla Acosta, born on August 3rd, 2013, currently living in Havana, Cuba. Santiago Acosta, born on July 1st, 2019, in Marietta, Georgia. And Elena Acosta, born on April 23rd, 2022, in Marietta, Georgia.
Do you have any children from your first marriage?
Yes, I have 1 child from my first marriage. Her name is Camilla Acosta. She currently lives in Havana, Cuba, with her mother.
Are your children U.S. citizens?
Santiago and Elena are U.S. citizens by birth. Camila is not a U.S. citizen.
Do you currently owe any overdue federal, state, or local taxes in the United States?
No,
Have you ever been a member of, involved in, or in any way associated with, or have you ever provided money, a thing of value, services or labor, or any other assistance or support to a group that used a weapon or explosive with intent to harm another person or cause damage to property?
no,
Have you ever registered to vote or voted in any federal, state, or local election in the United States?
no,
Do you know what register means?
to sign up.
Have you ever been a member of, involved in, or in any way associated with any communist or totalitarian party anywhere in the world?
No,
Have you ever been arrested, cited, detained, or confined by any law enforcement officer, military official in the U.S. or elsewhere, or immigration official for any reason, or been charged with a crime or offense?
yes, I received 2 traffic tickets.
Can you explain what happened with the ticket?
The first one was in Georgia back in 2020. I was going 10 miles over the speed limit and got a ticket. I paid a $150 fine.
And what about the second one?
The second was in early 2024 in Orlando. I turned right at a red light without coming to a complete stop. It was caught by a traffic camera, and I had to pay a $75 fine.
Did you pay both tickets?
Yes, I paid both of them on time. No other issues came up.
Do you have any proof of payment for the ticket?
Yes, I have the receipts right here.
Thank you. Have you ever claimed to be a U.S. citizen in writing or any other way?
No,
Since you got your green card, have you called yourself a non-resident alien on a federal, state, or local tax return, or decided not to file a tax return because you consider yourself to be a non-resident?
No.
Have you ever ordered, incited, called for, committed, assisted, helped with, or otherwise participated in torture?
No.
How would you explain torture?
To hurt someone physically.
Good. Have you ever ordered, incited, called for, committed, assisted, helped with, or otherwise participated in any kind of sexual contact or activity with any person who did not consent or was unable to consent or was being forced or threatened by you or someone else?
No.
Have you ever failed to support your dependents or to pay alimony?
No.
Do you pay child support every month?
Yes, I send child support to her mother every month.
Is the amount you send in line with what was ordered or agreed upon by the court?
Yes, I follow the court order exactly and pay the full amount as required.
Do you keep records or receipts of the payments you've made?
Yes, I keep all the receipts and bank statements as proof of payment. Here you are.
Thank you. Have you ever served in, been a member of, assisted, or participated in any military or police unit?
No.
Were you ever a part of any group, or did you ever help any group, unit, or organization that used a weapon against any person or threatened to do so?
No.
Have you ever served in, been a member of, assisted, or participated in any armed group? For example, paramilitary unit, self-defense unit, vigilante unit, rebel group, or guerrilla group?
No.
Have you ever ordered, incited, called for, committed, assisted, helped with, or otherwise participated in injuring or trying to injure any person intentionally and severely?
No.
Have you ever received any weapons training, paramilitary training, or other military type training?
No.
What does military type training mean?
Learning to fight in combat.
Have you ever worked, volunteered, or otherwise served in a place where people were detained? For example, a prison, jail, prison camp, detention facility, or labor camp? Or have you ever directed or participated in any other activity that involved detaining people?
No.
Have you ever sold, provided, or transported weapons or assisted any person in selling, providing, or transporting weapons which you knew or believed will be used against another person?
No.
Have you ever committed, agreed to commit, asked someone else to commit, helped commit, or tried to commit a crime or offense for which you were not arrested?
No.
If you received a suspended sentence, were placed on probation, or were paroled, have you completed your suspended sentence, probation, or parole?
I've never received a sentence before.
Great! Have you ever manufactured, cultivated, produced, distributed, dispensed, sold, or smuggled any controlled substances, illegal drugs, narcotics, or drug paraphernalia in violation of any law or regulation of a U.S. state, the United States, or a foreign country?
No.
Have you ever been married to more than one person at the same time?
No.
Have you ever lied to any U.S. government officials to gain entry or admission into the United States or to gain immigration benefits while in the United States?
No.
Have you ever married someone in order to obtain an immigration benefit?
No.
Have you ever been removed or deported from the United States?
No.
Have you ever helped anyone to enter or try to enter the United States illegally?
No.
Have you ever made any misrepresentation to obtain any public benefit in the United States?
No.
Do you support the Constitution and form of government of the United States?
Yes.
If the law requires it, are you willing to bear arms on behalf of the United States?
Yes.
Have you ever been placed in removal, rescission, or deportation proceedings?
No.
Have you ever gambled illegally or received income from illegal gambling?
No.
Do you understand the full oath of allegiance to the United States?
Yes.
Are you unable to take the oath of allegiance because of a physical or developmental disability or mental impairment?
No.
If the law requires it, are you willing to perform non-combatant services in the U.S. Armed Forces?
Yes.
What are non-combatant services?
Services that do not involve combat.
If the law requires it, are you willing to perform work of national importance under civilian direction?
Yes.
Are you willing to take the full oath of allegiance to the United States?
Yes.
All right, we finished reviewing your application and your responses today. Now, please take a moment to review this updated N400 form. Make sure all the information is correct.
Okay, everything looks correct.
Great. Please go ahead and sign here to confirm that all the information is true and complete to the best of your knowledge. Thank you. Next, please take a quick look at the Oath of Allegiance. This is the oath you'll be required to take during your naturalization ceremony. After reviewing it, sign at the bottom to confirm that you understand and willing to take the oath. Excellent. Based on your application and today's interview, everything appears to be in order. I'm pleased to inform you that you've passed the interview. You'll be scheduled for a naturalization oath ceremony in the near future. Congratulations.
Great. Thank you very much. Do you know when it will be?
As far as I can tell right now, you should receive a notice in the mail within the next 6 weeks. On the day of your oath ceremony, please remember to bring your green card. It will be collected at that time. Do you have any other questions?
I'm all set. Thank you.
Perfect. Congratulations once again. I'll walk you out now.
Thank you.